I need a burp. That's all it is. Hold up. But I just forgot my wallet at home. I need a burp. That was the cutest. I gotta cook this candy. To that, no. If I ask you, can we go to, excuse me, can we go to, because niggas is thirsty, so, okay, thank you, Alf, okay. Whew. That one came from the gut. I didn't think anything of it. I need a burp. Whew. I hear them getting close. My daughter, my little, that's how I feel, okay? That's how I feel. My little, then again, I was ugly. I almost burped. That's why I sounded like that. So I'm gonna burp now. So cute. Like times and all that. Woo! Jeez, for this. Excuse me. Wow. Hey. Woo. Oh my God! Did y'all see that? Yes. Oh my gosh! There's so much liquid in my stomach right now. Ooh, that was vomit. Shit are killing me. Okay. Okay. Oh. Oh, I get food poisoning.
That's gross.
After drinking this. Down, but I need a burp. Oh, that's not burp, that's vomit.